Honorable Mrs. Justice Sunita Agarwal, Chief Justice, High Court of Gujarat. Shri Rishikesh Patel, Cabinet Minister, Law and Justice, Government of Gujarat. Honorable Justice N.V. Anjaria, Judge, High Court of Gujarat. Honorable Mr. Justice Ashutosh Shastri, Judge, High Court of Gujarat and Administrative Judge, Rajkot District. Advocate General, Shri Kamal Trivedi. Mr. R.T. Vachani, Principal District Judge, Rajkot. Members of the District Judiciary. और राजकोट बार एसोसिएशन के लोकप्रिय अध्यक्ष मिस्टर बकुल वी रजानी. My very respected and senior brother, Justice MR Shah, Mukesh Bhai Shah, former judge of the Supreme Court, advocates, and all the honorable dignitaries present here. Jai Shri Krishna. કેમ છો? મજામાં છો ને? આ સંતો મહંતોની પવિત્ર ભૂમિ ઉપર આ સંતો મહંતોની પવિત્ર ભૂમિ ઉપર આવવાનું મારું સદભાગ્ય સમજુ છું. મને જે માહિતી મળી છે તે મુજબ આ રંગીલા રાજકોટની સ્થાપના 1610 AD માં કરવાના આવેલી. આપના રાષ્ટ્રપિતા મહાત્મા ગાંધીજી અહીં અલ્ફ્રેડ હાઈસ્કૂલમાં ભણેલા અને કબા ગાંધીના દેલામાં તેમના પિતા કરમચંદ સાથી રહેલા. આ શહેર એક સમયે સૌરાષ્ટ્ર રાજ્યનું પટનગર હતું. 1947 થી 1946 સુધી આ શહેર સૌરાષ્ટ્રની હાઈકોર્ટ અસ્તિત્વમાં હતી. રાજકોટ જેટલું લોક ગાયકોના દાયરા, ગરબા, રેસકોર્સ ને મેદાન में ભરાતા 5 દિવસના જન્માષ્ટમીના મેળા, રાજકુમાર કોલેજ, diesel engine, submersible pump, forging, casting, bearing, machine tools વગેરેના ઉદ્યોગો, સોના ચાંદીના દાગીના, પટોલા અને બાંધણી માટે પ્રખ્યાત છે. તેટલું જ ફાફડા, ગાંઠિયા અને જલેબી માટે પણ પ્રખ્યાત છે. આખા રાજકોટમાં ચાની દુકાનો, લારીઓ અને પાનના ગલ્લા ગણવા બેસીએ તો રાત પડી જાય. મેં એવું સંભાળ્યું છે કે આ શહેર કાયદેસર રીતે રોજ બપોરે 1 વાગ્યા થી 4 વાગ્યા સુધી સૂઈ જાય છે અને પછી રાત્રે 1 વાગ્યા સુધી રેસકોર્સની પાલી ઉપર બેસીને મોજ કરે છે. જલારામ બાપા અને ગેલા સોમનાથ મહાદેવના એનીના લોકો ઉપર હંમેશા આશીર્વાદ રહ્યા છે. આ ભવ્ય ન્યાય મંદિર ભવન આ રાજકોટની યશકલગીમાં એક વધુ પીછું ઉમર્યું છે. मुझे खुशी है कि आज मुझे महात्मा गांधी और सरदार पटेल की धरती गुजरात में आने का सौभाग्य मिल रहा है, जिस धरती ने न सिर्फ इन दोनों विशाल व्यक्तियों को जन्म दिया, भारत की स्वतंत्रता के बीजों को पोषित किया। उस धरती पर कदम रखना मेरे मन को सम्मान की दृष्टि से भर देता है। यहां होना न केवल मुझे भारत के सुनहरी अतीत से जोड़ता है, बल्कि प्रगति, एकता और समावेशिता की दिशा में चल रही यात्रा में योगदान देने की जिम्मेदारी की भावना भी पैदा करता है। महात्मा गांधी और सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल की विरासत एक मार्गदर्शक प्रकाश के रूप में कार्य करती है, जो हमें अपने जीवन और हमारे आसपास की दुनिया में न्याय, शांति और समानता के मूल्यों को बनाए रखने के लिए प्रेरित करती है। महात्मा गांधी और सरदार पटेल दोनों ही वकील थे। उन्होंने अपनी कानून की पढ़ाई को अपने तक ही सीमित नहीं रखा, बल्कि उसका इस्तेमाल भारत के लोगों को उनके अधिकार दिलाने के लिए किया। यह हमारे कानून के पेशे की शक्ति को दर्शाता है। वकीलों और न्यायाधीशों के रूप में हमारा मूल्य उद्देश्य यह होना चाहिए कि कैसे न्याय व्यवस्था को प्रतिदिन बेहतर बना सकें। महात्मा गांधी जी के जीवन और सिद्धांतों से प्रेरित होकर मैंने पिछले साल में विभिन्न राज्यों में यात्रा करने का प्रयास किया है, ताकि मैं उच्च न्यायालय के न्यायाधीशों और जिला न्यायपालिका के सदस्यों से मिल सकूं और उनकी समस्याओं को सुन सकूं, ताकि हम भारतीय न्यायपालिका के सामने आने वाली चुनौतियों का समाधान निकाल सकें। इन विमर्शों में शामिल होकर मुझे समस्याओं की सीधी समझ मिलती है, जिससे कि प्रभावी समाधानों की पहचान हो सके। इसके साथ साथ मेरा यह भी उद्देश्य रहता है कि हमारी न्यायपालिका के विभिन्न क्षेत्रों में हुई उपलब्धियां, इन उपलब्धियों की खुशी उच्च न्यायालयों के न्यायाधीशों एवं जिला न्यायालयों के सदस्यों के साथ बांट सकूं। इसी एक उपलब्धि की खुशी बांटने आज मैं राजकोट आया हूं। As we stand today on the cusp of a new era with this magnificent new district court building, it is essential to recognize that Rajkot district stands as the fourth largest district in the state, with a dedicated team of 63 judges at the headquarters and 10 different talukas. Their commitment to upholding the principles of justice ensures that the judicial system remains a pillar of strength for our community. The new district court building, rising majestically in the heart of Rajkot, not only stands as a testament to the city's rich history, but also signifies a leap forward into progress and modernity. This architectural marvel, adorned with state-of-the-art facilities, is a manifestation of Rajkot's unwavering commitment to both tradition and innovation. In this juxtaposition of old and new, the city proudly unveils a judiciary that stands ready to meet the dynamic demands of justice in the 21st century. Speaking of dreams, I remember a funny saying that captures the spirit of Gujarat. They say that while the rest of the world rushes to embrace new technologies, a Gujarati will find a way to innovate even the simplest of things. For instance, turning a chai break into a business strategy meeting is quintessential Gujarati humor, highlighting the entrepreneurial spirit ingrained in every aspect of life here. Yet beyond the laughter lies the core essence of progress in Gujarat, the ability to adapt and evolve. Rajkot, much like its people, has continuously embraced change while staying rooted in its cultural heritage. It is in this ability to amalgamate tradition with innovation that the true essence of development is discovered. Let us remember stalwarts of the past like Barrister P.L. Chudgar and Barrister S.C. Shroff of Rajkot, who served as puisne judges, contributing significantly to the legal legacy of this region. This evolution continued initially when the state of Saurashtra merged with the bilingual state of Bombay in 1956, and then with effect from May 1, 1960, when the state of Gujarat came into existence. The Rajkot District Court came under the jurisdiction of the High Court of Gujarat. Let us remember today the stalwarts of the past and our seniors today. Respect our seniors. Understand why they are leaders of the bar. When the president of the bar got up, I realized how popular Mr. Rajani is. While offering me a memento, he said all the young members of the bar call him uncle. This is how we respect those who have come before us in the profession. Ours is a profession which builds on the traditions of the past and innovates for the future. Our district courts hold a crucial position in the realization of the right to justice, a cornerstone of the ideals of our Constitution. In envisioning a society where every citizen is assured the right to justice, the district courts emerge as the initial point of recourse for every citizen who seeks redress. Citizens don't come to the Supreme Court first and foremost, they come to the district court. So in your work as members of the bar, you will generate confidence or the lack of confidence in the citizens. It is in our efficiency as district court lawyers that we will really ensure that this dhwaja of justice will keep flying in the generations to come. I was inspired this morning by the dhwaja at Dwarkadhishji. Very similar to the dhwaja which I saw at Jagannath Puri. But look at this universality of the tradition in our nation, which binds all of us together. But this dhwaja has a special meaning for us. And that meaning which the dhwaja gives us is there is some unifying force above all of us as lawyers, as judges, as citizens. And that unifying force is our humanity, which is governed by the rule of law and by the Constitution of India. Beyond a mere physical structure, our building represents a commitment and a promise that the pursuit of justice within its walls will be characterized by swiftness, accessibility, and impartiality. I am deeply impressed by the lush green campus, which envelops 40% of the area surrounding the new district court building. This is not just a mere visual delight. It is a testament to our commitment to a healthier environment and the well-being of all who step foot on these grounds. When I visited Somnathji this morning, I was so deeply moved that this is the first temple in India which has a zero waste facility. Let us be inspired by making every court system in the state a zero waste facility. It is then that we will be truly inspired by the ideals of these great temples which dot the landscape of the state of Gujarat. While we talk about our mental well-being, it is important that we look after the juniors, young women lawyers who are entering into the portals of the district judiciary. And I would like to compliment all those who have planned this building, the state of Gujarat, the Public Works Department, Brother Ashutosh Shastri, who has devoted his toil and sweat for this building, for ensuring that you have separate bathrooms, something as elementary as having separate bathrooms and adequate number of bathrooms for young women lawyers defines the social progress of the judiciary for the future. It may appear to be very simple that you have created bathrooms for women. But please remember that this is not the position in every part of the country. And therefore, you are very privileged to have this in the state of Gujarat, planners who have the vision, the state which has devoted investment to ensure that we have dignified conditions for the members of bar. The consolidation of 50 courtrooms into a single building marks a significant leap forward in enhancing accessibility for both lawyers and litigants in Rajkot. Previously, court facilities were spread across 4 different buildings in 3 different campuses, creating logistical challenges for all those who were involved. The amalgamation of courtrooms into one centralized location has streamlined the legal process and reduced the burden on legal professionals and those seeking justice. This consolidation ensures that lawyers can efficiently navigate their cases without the need to shuttle between different locations. For litigants, it translates to a more straightforward experience, eliminating the complexities of navigating multiple buildings and campuses. The inclusion of a conference room, a training room equipped with latest audio-video devices and systems is another forward-looking feature of the new district court building. This resonates with the hybrid and online conferencing systems implemented in the courtrooms of the Supreme Court, adapting to the changing times and leveraging technology for the swift delivery of justice. Optimizing technology within the judiciary is not just about modernization. It is a strategic move towards democratizing access to justice. By leveraging these advancements, we aim to bridge gaps, enhance efficiency, and ensure that justice delivery is not impeded by geographical or technological barriers. During the years of the COVID-19 pandemic, Brother Justice MR Shah and I sat together on the bench of the Supreme Court, dealing with serious cases in our own offices. We couldn't access the physical spaces of the Supreme Court. But we dealt with not only the urgent cases, but every case which came up before our bench. And by that, we gave access to justice to our citizens. We have created a new vulnerable witness deposition centers for child witnesses, women who are victims of gender violence. We have an ADR center which promotes the principle, mediate, don't litigate. Mediation does not take away work from lawyers, it creates new work for lawyers. Across India today, the lawyers are at the forefront of the mediation movement. The inclusion of a front office space for a bank, an ATM, post office, copier facility, a large area dedicated to advocates' facilities, waiting rooms for witnesses, and other provisions reflect a comprehensive approach to cater to the various needs of all stakeholders. Lastly, I would like to emphasize the addition of amenities like a canteen, a creche room, and extensive washrooms for gents, ladies, and differently abled individuals on each floor, which reflects a conscientious effort towards creating a comprehensive and inclusive space within the new district court. The presence of a creche room is especially commendable, recognizing that childbearing and childcare are significant life choices for young women. This institutional support for young women lawyers in the form of infrastructural reforms exemplifies a positive step towards accommodating and supporting those balancing professional responsibility with childcare and family needs. Finally, as I conclude, let me only tell you that I am leaving Rajkot inspired by your building. I say that because the Supreme Court of India is about to launch on the construction of a new futuristic building of the Supreme Court itself. 27 new courtrooms, futuristic courtrooms embodying the latest technology, and all facilities for bar and every stakeholder, including the litigants. But the Rajkot District Court, I dare say, is a model not only for district courts across India, but also a model for the higher judiciary in India, for the high courts as well as for the Supreme Court. As we step into the future, I would like to offer a piece of advice inspired by the vibrant spirit of Gujarat. Innovate and adapt. Just as a Gujarati finds way to innovate even the simplest things, let our legal processes and infrastructure continue to evolve, meeting the ever-changing needs of society. The pursuit of justice goes beyond courtrooms and legal proceedings. It involves creating an environment that fosters inclusion, accessibility, and well-being. In this era marked by rapid changes and challenges, it is imperative for legal institutions to adapt, innovate, and embrace a holistic approach to justice. I would appeal to the principal district judge to ensure that lawyers are truly trained in the use of technology. Lawyers should not be separated from us as judges in the use of technology. This new district court building in Rajkot serves as a shining example, not just for the legal community, but for communities at large, illustrating that the pursuit of justice is not just a legal imperative, but a collective social responsibility. May this institution continue to evolve, ensuring justice is not just delivered by experienced by all with dignity, respect, and ease. Jai Hind. Namaste.